Hi, today I want to discuss working with cam clamps a little bit. Most of us who have sliders are familiar with this device, and here you can see me loading it. And I find that most beginners, when they get these, the first thing they do is bring it down to the material and tighten it up, but that already creates a certain amount of clamping force, so I like to release the pressure a little bit by pulling up on the back of that, and you see that frees up that just enough for sliding. And then we clamp it down. Now the problem with cam clamps, as you can see, is they have a certain amount of deflection as they go through the cam. So you can see that it actually will pull the material off the fence just a little bit, so that you have to go back and either hold it really tight or release the pressure a little bit and try to bring it back to the fence. And then when you go to switch pieces, if you end up moving that clamp just a little bit, you see what happens is you can't get the next piece in without getting your other hand in there. So what I'm going to show you next is just I tried rubberizing the ends of these, but it kind of made the deflection worse. So I added this belt leather, basically shiny on one side and smooth, a little rough on the other side. And here you can see me bringing the clamp down to it and getting it ready. You see I'll pull up the back end a little bit here right now just to release that little bit of pressure and bring it in. And now that frees up a little bit of space underneath like you see there. And because I've got this shiny leather, what happens is that it slips. You see how the cam itself just sort of slides and glides? I mean, it still will deflect material just a little bit here. I'm going to show it to you a little more close up. But it's not as bad, and if you actually get used to what the cam, you can use it to your advantage. You can see here with the spacer in there, there's plenty of space to get that next piece in. But then you're going to watch here when I tighten her down, you'll see it'll pull it off the fence just maybe a smidge. But then when I just release just a hair, you see how that moves forward and that tightens everything up against the fence. So anyway, that's my simple little mod. You can see here the free space. I hope you got something out of this, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.